Locksmiths are often faced with the challenge of marketing their services to potential customers. Fortunately, there are many different ways that locksmiths can use SEO techniques to improve their ranking on Google search results pages. Tip number 1, on-page SEO. Tip number 2, great content. Tip number 3, off-page SEO. Tip number 4, get social. Tip number 5, technical SEO. Tip number 6, market your business. Tip number 7, anchor text. Tip number 8, featured snippets. Tip number 9, remove duplicate content. Tip number 10, link relevance. Tip number 11, check your Robots.txt file. Tip number 12, fix broken links. Tip number 13, watch your spelling and grammar. Tip number 14, use HTML tags. Tip number 15, keep an eye out for errors. Locksmiths can improve their rankings by removing duplicate content, checking links, fixing broken links, using HTML tags, and keeping a close eye on Google Analytics. If you are a locksmith that is looking to boost your ranking alignment, online marketing is here to help. There is no need for you to try and do it alone.